Having a fit. What's the matter? What's the matter? What's wrong? Why are you so upset? Are you okay? What? Something's wrong. Majorly wrong with you. You okay? Oh. What? Your shirt all slobbed up? You alright? You tripping? What? I don't know what any of that means, man. You want some assistance? You want to hold my hand or something? You are? You need a nap or something. You need to go to sleep and regroup and get it together. I don't know if that's normal. Come here. You alright? What's wrong with you? Alright, I'm gonna cut the camera off your face. I'm gonna get the camera out your face. Oh God, okay. You wanna go take a nap? Oh Jesus.